jeans from the thrift store, and I paid $4 for them. I paid $4 for them, so I'm just gonna cut them and make some jeans. I mean some shorts, some distressed shorts. I had some distressed shorts that I made, but they ripped because they were like, I was wearing them every chance that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and make these. These have a thicker jean material, and I'm not gonna bleach them. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to try them on. So let me go ahead. Okay, let me see. Look in the mirror. Right here. That's where I want them to stop. So let me go ahead and so I'm just gonna fold them like you would if you were going to iron them, and then I'm going to line them up. This is how they look cut. As you can see, the bottom is the back is longer than the front, and that's because I have a big butt. So what I did was, when I folded it like this, you can see I cut at an angle so that the back can be longer than the front. So when you cut, just cut at an angle so that the front can be, you fold it this way, like you're getting ready to iron them. You fold it this way, and then you cut from the front to the back, and you cut at an angle so that the front will be shorter than the back. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and distress it. Incisions and stuff like that, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the washer and dryer so that we can see how it looks after.